In this guide, you'll learn how to download your Facebook Messenger chat conversations. To get started, launch your Facebook app, then navigate to the menu page, click on the gear icon. Now navigate to the section Account Center, click on the option Your Information and Permissions, click on Export Your Information, click Create Export, select your Facebook username, select where you want to export all of these messages. Now customize these settings. First, click on the option Customize Information, uncheck for all these options. Just check in for the option Messages and click on Save. Then click on Date Range. Select it. Then you can head back. Now select the format, likewise media quality. Once you are done, click on Start Export. Facebook will then start preparing your information, and once the download is ready, you'll receive a notification through your registered email address. That's how you can easily download your Facebook Messenger chat conversations. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.